welcome to Coding Kids. My name is Tobin.
My name is Renita.
So we created a science project called Blinking LED. She's going to explain us the items.
So we have a resistor, a LED, few jumper wires, a GPIO extension keyboard. We have a 4-pin cable, a Raspberry Pi, a charging cable, and a breadboard. So let's get to the items.
So we're going to take one jumper wire, and as you can see, there's a GPIO 17, 27, and 22. Today we're going to use a GPIO 22. Right there. Okay. And we're just going to take this, the other end, keep it in like 30, I think. And we're going to take a resistor. We're just going to bend it a little bit. And we're going to keep it right there. And we're going to keep it like in 41 or 40. And we're going to get the LED. And you can see that there's a smaller one and a bigger one. And the bigger one is a LED anode, and the smaller one is a cathode. So we're going to keep the anode in front. We're going to keep it right there. And we're going to take one blue wire, one of the jumper wires, and we're going to keep it right here in the section of the ground. And before I keep this, you can see the blue line and red line. So we're going to keep this in the blue line. So the blue line is basically negative, but now the negative is going to be a ground. And now we're going to take this and keep it right over here in the negative, because now it's the ground, and keep it right over here in 41, so the cathode gets power. I think we're ready, and the circuit is ready, and let's see if the light is ready.
So let's get to the project.
So I'm going to show you the program. So I'm going to say new dot pi, and now I'm going to press enter, and now you can see the program I run, and I'm going to read you off the things I wrote. So the import RPI.GPIO, and import time is GPIO, and the GPIO set mode is Broadcom mode, and the setup is you know that the on the extension keyboard I did 22, and now I'm going to go on. So print low means the light on, and GPIO high means it off. So because the program says that lid off for high and lid on for low, and GPIO output 22 is high, and GPIO output is 22 for low too. And now I'm going to run the program. And when you press Control C, then the program, like the lid, stops running. So I'm going to press Control X. Now Python dot pi, enter, and you can see the lid. And now you guys can see the lid come on because I run the program. As you can see, I hit the light. The light is on because I run the program, and it's stopping. It's stopping and on each 5 milliseconds. And now I'm going to stop the program and stop the lid. So I'm going to press Control C to stop. And now you can see it stop. I'm going to ask you a puzzle before the ending. So, how does the computer understand when we program? And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Coding Kids.